In this video, I'll be showing you how to use theater mode in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and watch game replays. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, all you gotta do is press your options button on your controller. Then it's gonna bring up this page right here, which is the launcher menu. On the right, you're gonna see the theater option, so go ahead and click on that. It's then going to show you all the different games that you might have recently played. So just go ahead and find the one that you want to do this with. So for my example, it's going to be Imprint. This shows online and offline games, by the way, which I think is something really cool. So click on whichever one you want and then just wait for it to load up. Now, as you can see, I'm now in theater mode. The game's about to start and there's so many different things you can do here. You can press square to record. So if you want to record anything from theater mode, you can do that and it's going to be saved inside of Black Ops 7's memory. So if you want to do that, you can go ahead and do that. Press X to play and pause. You press R1 or L1 to go ahead and forward. So if you want like a fast forward, you could go ahead and do that as well. And you can switch players by pressing the skull, so like pressing up on the D-pad and then down on the D-pad as well. And yeah, you can really just explore the map if you want to, as much as you want. So like, for example, I'm just going to go outside the map completely and I can just go ahead and explore pretty much anything if I want to, which is something pretty cool because then you can just go explore outside the map and really just do whatever you want. But the cool thing is you can also change your camera angle as well. So you can use triangle to go from first person to third person, and then obviously you have the free mode as well. So yeah, with this you can really practice like different angles, how someone might see someone from a different angle, and there's so much you can do with it. There is really no limit to what you can do with theater mode. I think they've really improved it this year as well. So yeah, you'll be good to go whenever you go in theater mode. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other Black Ops 7 videos on the channel.